Welcome to our channel. Today, we venture into the fascinating world of superfoods, those nutritional powerhouses hidden in plain sight, but tucked away in the corners of the world, hidden amongst the familiar, are 15 forgotten heroes of the plant kingdom. Join me, dear viewer, as we embark on a journey to uncover these nutritional gems, each one bursting with more vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants than you can shake a stick at. Our journey begins with watercress, a humble aquatic plant often relegated to the side of our plates. Watercress flourishes in freshwater streams and boasts a vibrant, peppery flavor. It's the abundance of vitamins A, C, and K, along with its bone-strengthening calcium content, that truly sets it apart. Our next destination takes us to the microscopic world of algae, where we encounter chlorella, a single-celled organism teeming with life-giving nutrients. This emerald green dynamo is a veritable protein factory, boasting all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source. We journey now to the foothills of the Himalayas, where the moringa tree, often called the miracle tree, thrives. From boosting energy levels to supporting healthy skin, moringa leaves are a versatile addition to any diet. Chapter 4. Spirulina, the Ancient Superfood. Our exploration takes us back in time to the ancient Aztecs who revered spirulina, a blue-green algae, as a vital food source. Spirulina's vibrant blue pigment, phycocyanin, possesses potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Chapter 5. Dandelion greens, the lawn's hidden gem. Often dismissed as a pesky weed, dandelion greens hold a secret. They are a nutritional goldmine. Bursting with vitamins A, C, and K, these unassuming greens also possess potent liver-cleansing properties. Chapter 6. Beet greens, don't toss those tops. While the vibrant beetroot often steals the show, its leafy green tops deserve a place on our plates. They are also packed with vitamins, minerals, and nitrates, which can help lower blood pressure and support heart health. Chapter 7. Purslane, the Succulent Superfood. Our search for extraordinary nutrition leads us to purslane, a succulent often found gracing gardens and sidewalks. It's one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for brain and heart health. Chapter 8. Seaweed, the ocean's bounty. We dive into the ocean depths to explore the wonders of seaweed, a diverse group of marine algae that offer a wealth of nutrients. Seaweed is an excellent source of iodine, a vital mineral for thyroid function. Chapter 9. Amaranth, the ancient grain rediscovered. Our journey takes us back in time once more to the ancient Incas who revered amaranth, a gluten-free grain, as a sacred food. Its nutty flavor and versatility make it a welcome addition to various dishes. Chapter 10. Our journey takes us to the kitchen, where regular garlic undergoes a fascinating transformation. Black garlic, aged under carefully controlled conditions, develops a sweet, umami-rich flavor and a soft, jelly-like texture. Chapter 11. We venture deep into the Amazon rainforest to discover camu camu, a small fruit with an outsized reputation. This tangy fruit boasts one of the highest concentrations of vitamin C in the world, an antioxidant vital for a healthy immune system. Chapter 12. Our journey leads us to salsify, a root vegetable with a unique oyster-like flavor. Its versatility shines in various culinary preparations, from roasted to mashed. Chapter 13. Maca root, energy from the Andes. We ascend to the high Andes mountains of Peru, home to maca, a root vegetable revered for centuries. Maca is an adaptogen, known for its ability to help the body adapt to stress and boost energy levels. Chapter 14. Nettle, the stinging plant with a gentle touch. Our journey takes us to the edge of meadows, where nettle, a plant often feared for its sting, flourishes. Nettle leaves, when properly prepared, offer a wealth of nutrients. Chapter 15. Baobab, the African Superfruit. Our final destination takes us to the African savanna, home to the majestic baobab tree, a symbol of life and resilience. The baobab fruit, with its tangy, citrusy flavor, is a nutritional powerhouse. Outro: until next time, adventure awaits. And so, our journey through the fascinating world of forgotten superfoods comes to an end. We've explored hidden corners of the plant kingdom, from the depths of the oceans to the heights of the mountains, uncovering nutritional treasures along the way. Keep exploring, keep discovering, and let nature's bounty nourish your body and mind.